This is LED crossbag smart satchel black MAMBA design that I purchased on Temu. So I am going to unbox and demonstrating of the app function. As written in the box, it is made of ABS plus PC plastic material and Oxford cloth, which make it as water splash-proof design. And they added this safety features, like reflective design. The good thing is they added this safety storage in this area. As you can see, 80% has been covered by the zipper. I guess you need to have an extra lock for safety purposes. Inside you have total 4 storage, including the main storage. Since there is no built-in battery, this USB must be plugged into a power bank. And the user manual with different language translation, with printed QR code to be scanned, or you may search the app name LOY in Play Store or Apple Store. And the LED function covered in this area as an extra protection of the device. In case you can't find your device Bluetooth name, then you can scan this QR code. Even though this is having a hard shell case, the weight is not really heavy at all. Just a reminder, connect it to power bank that has less battery capacity. Because if you will plug in like this power bank, which it has 20,000 milliamp hours battery capacity, then you will be having a problem with the weight. In my opinion, and in my test. The major loophole of this device is not secured personally. Someone can control the app if the Bluetooth is disconnected, especially when you are in a crowded area, in case they have the same app. The moment you plug in into the power bank, the device will automatically turn on. So here's an overview of the app. Notice that the color of the icon is red, means it is not yet connected. To start, press this icon, and you have 2 methods in connecting via Bluetooth. Either you scan or the list will appear and just simply click to connect. But make it sure the Bluetooth name written on the QR code is the same. And when it is connected, this will turn to green. Press the button in the center once, and it will play only the selected eye effects you choose. Press twice, and it will play automatically all the selected eye effects you choose. This button is for all the eyes effects choices. And there are plenty of choices you can select. Whatever you will press, then it will be added to your selection tab. And the name itself, DIY. So whatever picture save on your phone, then you can use it as LED light effects. Using your photo as an effects is really cool, but the downside, the image is really pixelated. Check this out using the DIY text effects. In this section, type the word you want to appear in the screen. Then choose the font color. Then if you wanted to add background color, then here's the option. Then confirm. Isn't it cool? Just a reminder, you can't do pre-editing or DIY function if the bag is not connected in the app. Another function in DIY button is the cloud material, which the options are like a light rhythm effects. In this area, you will see all the light effects that was being selected. And if you wanted to delete your DIY, then just press and hold, and then delete. So if you have more LED bag using LOY Eyes app, it will appear here which bag you are using. Then the next button is to control the brightness of the LED effects. Then the last is the settings. Since this is designed for bikers, or if you are using a scooter that supports Bluetooth connection for taillight control, then this link light button can bind the Bluetooth taillight and the bag, which now the bag serves as an extra taillight and cool effects. Lastly, if you want to turn off the LED effects, then press this button. But in instances that this won't work, try to disconnect the Bluetooth connection and connect it again. And here are the samples of the lights effects. And that's it. If you reached till this video, then thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as well as your thoughts about this bag. See you on my next video.